Secret St. Martin's Preferred Club Junior Suite Garden View Room with upgraded bathroom amenities and a walk-in shower. All rooms have hair dryers. This room has plenty of closet space. The mini refrigerator has bottled water, soft drinks, and beer, snacks, and assorted liquors that are replaced daily. There is also a coffee maker in each room. There are robes and slippers, an electronic safe large enough for a laptop. You also get a pillow menu for this room. This room can connect with either 2 double beds in one room or 1 king bed in the room. All rooms have flat screen TVs, a desk with a small table and 2 chairs, with a welcome bottle of wine and a cheese platter upon your arrival. The balconies have 2 chairs and a small table with beautiful mountain views. So when you're ready to book Secret St. Martin's Resort in the Caribbean, please call the experts at A Premier Travel Agency.